It's Memorial Day weekend. Every year at this time, a sacred event takes place in Washington, D.C., called Rolling to Remember. Formerly known as Rolling Thunder, this is a moment where veterans, especially those who served in the Vietnam War, take over the streets of the city on motorcycles. They ride to honor those who we have lost, as well as those still fighting their own personal battles. In this series, we will cheer them on, and also take a look at other related events taking place on the National Mall. The Poppy Wall of Honor, Dogtag Flag, and special atmosphere at the Vietnam Wall await us, as well as a place called Thunder Alley. Let's roll! And we are walking over to Thunder Alley across the street. And there it is. We have t-shirts and pins. Coins, cigars.
Steve mentioned he wants to go to
Oh, look at this. Where is this proposed to be? Just out of curiosity. Quantico. Okay.
So, have you been to are you from this
Yeah,
area?
I have. Yeah, I'm from. Well, I live around here, but I've been to the Marine Corps Museum.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah,
and
that's
they
amazing.
Just added a new. They just added the Iraq and Afghan, like exhibits.
Oh, okay.
Which is really neat. So if you've been in there, like like the Korea's cold.
Yeah. It's amazing. Yeah.
So I mean, it's like enough. I was just talking to some of the different era vets, and I'm like, you feel it, right? You feel it. It's not just
it's really
you're
something.
not just like artifact. And so we've secured our spot there, and it's really cool because it's in that Semper Fidelis Memorial Park in the back.
Okay. Oh, I see.
A little bit, and it kind of works out with our Overwatch and our sniper, like duty. So it's a cool vibe. Once you get to the spot and you found it, we're like, this is the right one. Compared to the other ones we looked at, we're like, this is the right one. And so we've secured the spot, we've secured the sculptor. So Sabin Howard did the World War I memorial.
Right.
And so we're really excited because now it's just the toughest part of it is the fundraising piece, which is finding,
So the project's been green lighted. It's just a matter of funding now.
It is.
Yeah, that's always the problem.
It is.
Yeah.
And then and it's being sensitive to to budgets and what's going on, and so we're like, it started out with the Scout Center Association, and then the Marine Corps Heritage, the Scout Center Heritage Foundation is a little offshoot of it. So they're still tied in together.
Okay.
But Tim Parker's the executive director. He focuses solely on this, on fundraising and all the administration, and there's an actual board that governs all this. I'll give you this card if you're interested. And here's our flyer too.
Okay.
Especially if you're taking video or
for sure.
Questions.
Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, it is quite a museum.
And the cool thing is like the bricks. Like I bought bricks for, like, when I retired from the Marine Corps. I could donate one to my family. The cool thing with ours is when they get ready, if someone wants to get a brick through us, they'll get a chance to put it in the actual location. So it won't just get thrown in the park, because usually they do like
they put it there themselves.
It'll be right in our location.
Yeah.
So it's really focused. So you'll always be able to say whether it was someone you serve with, or like, let's say you want to get one for, like, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one for each of my platoons that I was with and I served with, and just kind of go, okay, well, cool, here's for these guys, here's for those guys. Or if you want to get one for like in memory of or in honor of, it'll be, and they were a sniper, it's nice that you'll be able to go there and say, oh, that's, Sergeant Robinson, that's for our platoon, that's for so-and-so. So it's
I see. Neat. Yeah, that's really awesome. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. And just a closer look at the pamphlet here. So, Marine Scout Sniper War Memorial. So this would be out at the museum in Quantico. There's a Marine Corps museum in Quantico, Virginia, which is a little bit of a drive from here. Most school groups don't go out there because it's just so far away. There's all this time that it takes to get out there and to come back. But some of them do, and I have been there a few times. It is an amazing museum. So, this project has been green-lighted, but they're just trying to raise the money for it. And we will continue around. And food trucks, and this is pretty much it.